In this video, let's see how to manage room authorization requests and view details in the system. Click on the desired room G4. Click on the Authorization button in the pop-up to proceed with the authorization process for a room. Click on the New Request button to create a new authorization request. Select Net Rate Change for all date from the Request Type drop-down menu. Click on the calendar icon next to the date to select a specific date for the net rate change. Enter the requested rate in the Request Rate field on the form. Select Inclusive from the drop-down menu next to Request Rate. Choose Rent Only from the drop-down menu next to Inclusive. Select a reason for the rate change from the Reason drop-down menu. Click on the Post Request button to submit the authorization request. Click OK on the confirmation pop-up to acknowledge the authorization request has been sent. View the list of authorization requests by looking at the highlighted table section. Select the second authorization request from the list by clicking on it. Navigate to the Authorization list by clicking on the tab in the navigation bar. The authorization requests are listed below. Click on the View icon in the Authorization list to see details of the request. Close the Request Details. The authorization request has been completed.